Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can resume download in Samsung Internet Browser. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So the first thing that you need to do guys is search for Samsung Internet on your phone. So once you're here, for example, I'm gonna search for something to download. For example, Uber APK. And so right here, we're going to click on download. So make sure you click on allow to send you notifications. And then we're going to click on download. And then right here, you're going to find that your application is downloading. If you click on it, you're going to be directed right here to downloads. So if we click on pause, it's going to be the download will be paused. And if you click on resume, then the download will be resumed. Right here, you can sort or filter the list. You can see all the downloads, just the images, the videos, audios, documents, and others. So for me, I'm gonna cancel this download and go back. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.